I was so cold. Deep in the throes of my own madness, listing lifeless with a knife to my throat. There was a vast chasm within, an abyss with no end that I threw myself in, making a toast as I tried so hard to give up the ghost. The temperature of my soul was 30 below. Trapped in a blizzard and lost in the snow, I had no idea where I should go. It was so cold, I caused my own blood to flow. Crimson dripped from my fingertips as I silently, softly wept. As self-inflicted sears in my flesh eclipsed my darkness and eased my pain. A stranger found a sad and shattered soul slowly dying in the cold. I softly asked if he knew the way. He simply said that he was. And he removed the robe and clothed me in his love, and in his warm embrace, my blizzard was all but completely erased. The scars began to heal, but his skin began to peel. He took my hand so that something new could begin, so that he could open my eyes. To my surprise, we came to a hill where an innocent man would be crucified. He looked at me and said, "Son, this is where I died." He saw the sorrow in my gaze, so he lifted my face to the sky. He said, "Don't cry, my child. I've come to wipe the tears from your eyes."
Come on.
All right. Woo!